Video is going to be super simple. We're going from old and crusty to new hotness. Your 9th gen Civic look new again. Welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday. I'm doing a lot of stuff today, cleaning the house, doing laundry, cleaning this messy ass garage. But today we're doing something that I've been putting off and putting off and putting off. And that is change these windowsills. They're super crusty. The weather stripping is starting to just like flake off and fall apart. And at one point, I was going to Cars and Coffee, and I had one of the windowsills up here and down here just completely strip off on my way to Cars and Coffee on that side, and it was just flopping around in the wind. So we already did one side just to kind of see how easy the installation process was going to be, and it's straightforward. I've seen other videos of people just taking apart the inside of the door or taking unnecessary stuff off, and you don't need to do that. You just need to get like a little flathead with some tape on it and just kind of push up underneath, and same thing on the front side. The only difference is for the back, there is a screw right here, and it kind of just holds this plastic piece in. And once you take that screw out, then you're able to kind of pry this section up and fit this section of the new piece in. It's kind of difficult. If you don't do that, then it's just not gonna go in. And then you just apply some pressure and boom, you're done. But as you can see, so I pulled this from, this is this back piece right here. As you can see, all the weather stripping, and it's just nasty. It's all coming up. It actually lets air into the car. So you have your windows up and you start feeling a draft. That's coming through this section right here, or even up in here. That means that the weather stripping is going bad and it needs to be replaced. But it's super easy. It's not a big deal. I got these in the summer from Honda. They're probably $50 for a pair. Not that expensive, but I think they sent me 2 right sides, and hopefully they didn't, because that would suck. But if that is the case, I'll just go back to Honda, get a replacement for the driver's side, and call it a day. Parts that I got from Honda over the summer, as you can see, it says right rear door, but I already replaced that, so I need the left rear door. So let me check the part, see if it's right. If it's right, I'll throw it on the car. If it's wrong, I'll package it back up and go get it replaced. And then this should be the left front, hopefully. If I can. No, another front right. Let's just hope this is a typo. I have a feeling it's not going to be, but like I said, we'll just open it up and see. This is the left rear. We're gonna check this real quick. So we're gonna go ahead and take this thing off. If you're curious about how I have this mounted, remember that Amazon phone mount that I bought? I got this suction cup to the side of the car, and I got my phone in the holster, and this thing works for everything. So take our flathead. I had tape on it. I'm not worried about it. This paint's all jacked up, so at some point it's going to be covered up by more wrap. Fingers crossed. There you go, super easy. Look at that, that is jacked up. So come in here, pry the rest of these clips off. There you go. Like I said, I'm not too worried about this paint. This paint's all jacked up. It's a race car. It doesn't need to look great. It just needs to look great from far away. Get our new piece. Well, first of all, we need to take out the screw holding this in. So we got this little screw, it's right here. Take that out. And then from here, give you some more wiggle room to like bring this up. So when you go to put this new piece in, you can just kind of fit it in there and you won't have any issues. Place and open this door back up, put the screw back in, and we'll be done with this door. And we're done. Again, we're going to make sure that this is indeed for this door. Fingers crossed. They are indeed made for it. So, pop this one off. Same process as we did with that. Hopefully, it doesn't take as long, because that was embarrassing. Like, those two sides took me the same amount of time it took me to put that one in. So, let's knock this thing out, and we'll be done. Woo! You know, it sucks is all the clips fell down in here, but I'm not worried about it. This one's not terribly hard, just put it in there. This one's a whole lot easier. And we're done. Super easy. I don't know why that back door took me so long, or why it was such a pain in the ass, but it's on, man. One of the replacement parts you want to do in your 9th gen, it'll make a difference. It'll keep your car warm. You won't have air coming through your door handles and stuff, cold air. It'll just be nice, and it looks way better than it did before. So this will last another 160K. Maybe. It might outlive the car, we'll see. Well, I found the degreaser. That sucks. But that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for this little install. Super easy. The next video is either gonna be of me trying to figure out what's gonna be going on for next season, maybe a recap of this season, and I got some newish seats for this car. So maybe that might be the next video, who knows, but we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.